My name is Marlene. I live in this house with my husband and my 2 children. It was a house from the 1960s. It's been done nothing to it, so it didn't really fulfill all the needs we had for a house. But we could see the potential. We decided to invest a lot in daylight and in the right windows because that creates the home. Being in a house where you get natural daylight, it just makes you happier. We're looking at the market where we could find some roof windows which could match our criteria. And we actually went to VELUX's homepage and we could see there was a configurator where we were able to construct how the windows should look in our design. You know, it's not a matter of putting it everywhere. That wouldn't give the right effect. It's finding the right spaces and the right spots for it, where it really has an impact. We put it in the long hallway on the first floor. And if you go upstairs, there's a window on each end. But if we didn't have lights in the hallway, it would be a long hallway and very dark. This gave us the design we were looking for. We didn't want a big window in the bathroom because we like to be private when you're in the bathroom. So we used it in the whole ceiling there to give the light, but still make it a private bathroom. Both in the bathroom and the hallway, we are able to open the windows, and that was very important for us because it's very well isolated, and in the summertime it can get very hot. It was important for us to be able to create a tunnel effect. So in the summer days where it's hot, we can open the window in the hallway and get some of the hot air out, and you can actually feel it down here in the kitchen area. We get the fresh air inside. The day we had to have the Vario windows installed was very exciting. It was like a feeling of now we're getting there. Straight away we could see like the effect of getting a window inside. Even though it was bare walls and it wasn't painted yet, it gave a totally different light inside the house. The first thing I see every morning when I go out into the bathroom is actually the light coming into the bathroom and the bathroom wall. The other day we actually had a full moon just looking through the window, and the kids were in the bath playing and watching the full moon. That was very special. You're always very close to nature because you either see the sun or the skies or can hear the rain on it, and that makes a really nice feeling also. I think the Vario by VELUX has helped, make it all come together. It's all the details in this house that makes it special, and we wouldn't be able to have done that without having the extra daylight. So it's an important part of the whole project. My best advice when doing this kind of project is actually to be patient and to be thorough. Look at all the possibilities. Think of how you're going to use the house now and how you're going to use it in 5 years. Remember to make the house ready for the future.